Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring here in Meridian, Idaho. Hey, I just got another quick topic I wanted to address with you today. And it basically boils down to what to do with carpet and a staircase. So stairs are tricky. Stairs fall under every carpet's warranty in the sense that there is no wear warranty on stairs. That being said, stairs take a lot of abuse. I mean, we're walking up and down them. They have a lot of impact, lots going on there, right? They tend to wear out quicker. The thing to keep in mind, that this is just a little bit of a buying tip when you're at the store, is most staircases will take about a 12 by 10 of carpet, so it's 12 feet by 10 feet. And if you like the carpet you pick out, we do this all the time, is we'll just sell you an extra 12 by 10 or whatever your staircase happens to need. And then 4 or 5 years down the road, when they're starting to have some issues or look a little bit worn out, perhaps you didn't vacuum them as much as you should have or something like that, is that you can replace it, and then you have the exact same dye lot of carpet, so it matches completely 100%, and then you have a brand new staircase. And that's just a little buying tip that we recommend, that if you're concerned about stairs, that's a great way to go. So hope that helps, and if you have any questions, please comment below or ask away, and I will make a video about it. Thanks so much.